What's in my bag? Let's take a peek. Let's learn English every week. I've got a book I love to read. Turn the page, that's all I need. I've got a pencil, sharp and bright. I write my name and hold it right. I've got a rubber, oops, mistake. Rub it out for learning's sake. What's in my bag? Let's take a peek. Let's learn English every week. I've got a pen, it's smooth and blue. I draw a dog and a dolphin too. I've got a ruler, straight and long. Draw a line, nice and strong. I've got some scissors, snip, snip, snap. Cut a star and make a hat. I've got crayons, red, green, gold. Color the sun, shiny and bold. What's in your bag? What do you see? A world of learning for you and me. What's in my bag? Let's take a peek. Learning's fun every week. With Mr. English, we learn and play. Let's speak English every day.